Hello guys, I will be doing this tutorial video on how to create your API on Binance, how to create API on Binance, and how to also link the API on the copy trading platform on the WITTY platform. So I'll be doing that together in this video. So this video might be a little bit longer. I just want you to watch to the very end so that you can get the view of everything that you need to do from A to Z, from creating your API on Binance and also linking the API with the copy trading platform on the WITTY platform. So before I go further, I will quickly want to chip this in, which is very important before you create your API on Binance. Already you must have opened your Binance account, do the KYC, do all of that before you can proceed to create your API. But it's very, very important that you create a second factor authenticator 2FA on your Binance, because you'll be needing that when you are creating API. So ordinarily, when you create your Binance account, you create with either your phone number and your email account. So by default, your email is like a second factor verification you can actually use to approve any interaction, login, or whatever on your Binance. But it's very important that you also either use a Google Authenticator app, which you can download from the App Store, or you use your phone number to also add another additional layer of security on your account. So the API is a very sensitive thing on the Binance platform, and it requires that you must have another added layer of security, which is the 2FA. So you must do that before you proceed to the API creation. Is very important. You will need it. It's very important. So this is my Binance account. All of that has been done and already intact. So this is the home page on the Binance. And another thing that is very important is that make sure you are using the latest version. I recommend that you update your Binance app. I'm using the Binance mobile app. Make sure you update it to the latest version so that you can have the best of experience when you are doing your creation of the API or doing anything else on the platform. So here is my Binance account. I'll go to the menu here up here. So then I will scroll here. You see more services. You click on the more services. Then you scroll down. You see different services, different stuffs that you can do on Binance. You scroll down till you come to the API management. Then you click on API management. So allow that to load. Okay, you can see API management, create API in the yellow ribbon, create tags, and we don't have all of that. So you now click on create API. So when you click on create API, you see system generated, working using HMAC, Simeric, and all of that information. So you are going to click on this system generated. You don't have anything to do with this self-generated. So system generated, then you click on next. So then the next thing is label API key to proceed. You need to give your API key a label. So for this one, I'll be using WITTY Copy Trade. Yeah, so that is the name, the label I'm giving my API key. So then I'll click on next. So already it will tell me to put my authenticator. You now see where the authenticator is very important. So I'll put in my authenticator. So I'll copy my authenticator code, then I'll paste here. So you can see WITTY Copy Trade. It has created the API key. Then I click on this arrow down to enlarge to expand the view. So this is my API key and the secret key. I need this both keys for me to be able to successfully integrate my API on the copy trading platform on WITTY. So I will copy. You have to copy it in real time, because over some time you will not be able to copy the API key again for security reasons. So I'll copy and then I will come and save it. I will save it somewhere very secure. I will save it here on my WhatsApp here. So that's the API key. Then I'll copy the secret key as well. I'll copy the secret key, so I'll also paste it here. So I'll be needing it later on. So having done that, then you now come down here. You see all of this information: enable reading, enable spot and margin trading, down to enable symbol, whitelist, and all of that. They are not clickable. They are grayed out, so you can't click it. We'll still be able to click it after we have done the next thing we are going to do now. So then you will now come here and you click on edit. You click on edit. So once you click on edit, we want to do some other thing here. After we are done with that, we now click on save. So but we are not gotten to that. So like I said, all of this information here, enable reading down to enable symbol, whitelist, they are not clickable. They are grayed out. So you now click on restrict access to trusted IPs only. You see, by default is here unrestricted, less secure. You see, it's even written in red. This API key allows access from any API address, blah 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 blah. But we are restricting the access to only trusted IPs only. So you click on this, and after clicking on that, you can see that there is a space here for us to put the IP addresses of the trusted party that we want to link up with, which is the WITTY Copy Trading platform. So now we'll now proceed to the WITTY platform for us to go and open up the copy trading and get the IP address. So now I am in my WITTY account. Then I go to the menu. You can see the copy trading menu in the list here. I'll click on the copy trading. Then this is the copy trading platform. Start trading the crypto market together with professional traders and benefit from their experience. Start growing your crypto portfolio on autopilot with full transparency and control of WITTY Copy Trading platform. So then I'll click on copy trading, start copy trading. So I'll wait for that to load up. Remember, before you can actually do the copy trading, you must have an active arbitrage staking. So if you are the one that doesn't have an arbitrage staking, you will not even be able to access the copy trading platform at all. You will not be able to. You get something like please stake first prompt if you want to do that. So you need to have an active arbitrage staking before you can access the copy trading platform. So we are still waiting for the platform to fully load up. Yeah, so it's already loaded now. It's already fully loaded now. So you see step 1, connect your exchange account, which is what we are doing on Binance. Binance is our exchange account which we want to connect to the copy trading platform. So the step 2 is choose and copy a strategy. You need to choose a copy. So we will first set up, connect our exchange account before we can choose a copy strategy. So click on connect. So now then we are copying, we are integrating with the Binance. As you can see already, we are creating the API on Binance. So on the exchanges here, we have Binance, we have KuCoin, we have Bybit and OKX. So I click on Binance, then click on connect with API key. So the step-by-step guide. So the next thing I want to do is account name. I will have to give my copy trading account that I want to link up with the Binance exchange. I have to give it a name. I'll be giving this one this name. So AY for real, this is the name I'm giving this account. So then the next thing is API key. I need to put my API key. Remember, we copied the API key and the security key when we created the API key on Binance. So I will now go to my where I keep the API key. So this is the API key. I've copied it. I'll paste it here. Then I come back to copy the secret key rather. I click on the secret key. I copy the secret key as well. I come here, I paste the secret key. So I haven't pasted the secret key. I will not connect yet. I'm not going to connect yet. If I click on connect, it will not go through because I have not completed the API setup on Binance. So here is the list of shared IPs. Remember, here we have the IP, restricted access to trusted IPs only. So we are going to copy the IP addresses that we see here. These two IP addresses, we'll copy it and then we'll paste it inside that box there. So when you click on this copy icon, if it's not working, just manually highlight the IP address here, then copy it, then you come here, you paste it here, then you leave a space, let there be a space. So then you come, highlight the second one, you copy as well, you come here and then you paste as well. So you see, that's it. Then I click on confirm. So you see now, when I click on confirm, you see the IP addresses pop up here. So the IP addresses in amber or yellow color here pop up here. So you now see that all these places that are not clickable before, that was just grayed out, they are now clickable. So you see the IP restriction, the enable reading, that one by default is already there by default. So the only two things that you want to tick here is enable spot margin trading. Very important. Enable spot margin trading and then enable futures. Those are the only two things that you have business with here. Don't click the enable withdrawals. You see, don't make a mistake of clicking it. Don't click on the enable withdrawals. Don't for any reason click it. Will only be able to trade on your account and not to be able to withdraw on your account. So I haven't done all of that. Make sure you check and see everything is okay. Then you come here and you click on save. So then it will bring the Google Authenticator 2FA of a thing again for me to, because they need to know that the rightful owner is the one that is accessing, because it's very important, very important and very risky for unauthorized person to have access to all of this information. So I've copied my authenticator code, I paste here, and then you see edit API success. So now I've been able to successfully create my API, edited it, put all the necessary information to integrate with the copy trading platform or WITTY platform. Then I'll come back to my account on WITTY. Then I will come here and I will now click on connect. You see your exchange account connected successfully. Then you see this fetching your exchange account data, you have to wait. This is one area that is very important, which a lot of people need to be very careful. Is not you don't exit this page. You have to wait here and you let this countdown timer reading from 60 seconds, let it read it to 0 seconds. When all the information, the data on your exchange is fully fetched. Very important. Don't for any reason, out of anxiety, anger, too much curiosity, or impatience, quickly run out of this place. Let the countdown count till it's 0 before you do anything. You must get the notification that the data is successfully fetched before you leave this page. You can see, congrats, your exchange account connected successfully. So this is it. This is where we are going. So I haven't done all of this that I've done now. I have been able to successfully create my API on the Binance exchange, then integrate it on the copy trading platform on the WITTY platform. So that is just the process you have to do. It's very simple, direct. Just follow the step by step as you see displayed in this video, and then everything will be okay. Thank you.